Hello everyone, I am Zahra from EPIX. Today, I would like to introduce the Prime English books. In this series, I will focus only on the grammar sections. The Prime series has 4 levels. Each book is designed to improve your English step by step, from basic to advanced. These books help you with vocabulary, grammar, reading, listening, and speaking. Book 1. Focus only on basic vocabulary and simple grammar. Book 2 helps you improve your sentence structure and daily conversations. Book 3 focus on reading, listening, and more advanced grammar. Book 4 help you speak more fluently and confidently. Each grammar point will be explained in a separate video, step by step and very clearly. These videos are designed to help students understand grammar easily, with clear explanations and simple examples. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, these lessons will help you. If you want to learn grammar in a structured and effective way, follow our page and watch next videos. Thank you for watching.